Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to add signature in PDF. So first, you just need to create a signature and save this as an image, as you can see on your screen. Now, for example, I want to open my Adobe Reader, and here we can use this tool to basically add signature. So for example, you just need to go here in this box, and if you want to add signature, you just need to click on the pen and paper icon right here at the top left of your screen. So it will show you the side menu option right here at the right side. Basically click on place signature, and we have three options right here. We have type my signature, draw my signature, or use an image. So for example, if you choose this type my signature and you write your name right here, basically it will automatically change it to signature, and you can basically use it as your signature. Now, if you want to try the second option here, so just need to click on the place signature, and we're gonna choose the second option, which is draw my signature. So here you can draw your signature, and this will be your signature right from here. So you can place that on this box. Now let's try the third option, which is to upload an image. So basically you just need to go and click on display signature, and we're gonna choose the upload an image, and we're gonna click on browse and find the image that we want to add. So there you go, that's how you basically add signature in PDF. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.